So are we all doing all right? We all having a bit of crack? It's cool to say that. It's all right. Do you know what? Finbarr is right. This is a home away from home, and my dad has come here for the last 35 years. I have the wonderful Frank and Betty in the front row. Do you want to give me something? Go. Actually, that's not. I didn't think of that tonight, but we'll try and get it in. We'll try and get it in later on. Yeah, I'll ask the lads and see if it'll be all right. But Frank and Betty looked after my dad for 35 years. Frank is an incredible musician himself. Gigged everywhere in Boston. You know him, he's a famous man. Looked after my dad for many, many years. Unfortunately, we lost him a few years back, but I'd like to dedicate this next song to him, but obviously Frank and Betty as well there. It's a nice country song. Gordon Lightfoot. It's called In the Early Morning Rain. Here you go.
What was that?
I said it was a country song.
Back to Nashville.
Nice. Hey, listen. Just because you're wearing them cowboy boots, man, doesn't mean you do that. Alright, okay. I liked it. Did you like it? Alright.
I do it all the time.
In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home and I miss my loved one so. In the early morning rain, no place to go. Out on runway number 9, 707 said to go, but I'm stuck here on the grass where the paper never grows. But the liquor tasted good and the women were all fast. There she goes, my friend. She'll be rolling down that line. All right, here we go. All right, let's pretend we're in Nashville. Yeehaw! Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. Yeah. This old airport's got me down. It's working good to me, but I'm stuck here on the ground. I'm cold and drunk as I can be, but you can't jump a jet plane, no, no, like you can a freight train. So I best be on my way. just be on my way in the early morning rain. Yeah. Thank you very much.